So folks, this is the video. These are for the guys that are into the GoPeds, 39cc, a little bit smaller than the motorized bicycles. Right here, what I got is an Echo. With a cap. This is an Echo CS310. I've got the old Black Bandit set up here. External coil, same thing what I've set up on the KEG motor in one of my other videos. Black Bandit box, 12 volt DC CDI, and this was the part that I said I wanted to add, was the RPM gauge. The last videos that I was trying to run there, the RPM gauge that I had picked up, it just didn't work with this setup. So everything that I do in this video, I will put a link in the description. 12 volt battery, 10 amp hour. Obviously it's strictly for demonstration purposes. This is what the circuit is idling at right now. See, so everything's all wired in and ready to go. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll back this up. Now we're gonna give it a little pull start. Some wires in the way. Leave that there. Nothing like having stuff in the way. Okay. So here it is, folks. We're gonna get to see the RPM of the Echo chainsaw. It's 8. What is it? About 8. Let me check what time it is. It's 10 to 9 here in Ontario, Canada. It's around 16 degrees Celsius outside, and today is June 7th. So let's get down to business. Remember, folks, if you're looking for one of these, you go to www.firstfloor.online. Alright, let's get it. Get up to around 10,000 RPM if I really tried. Let me give it a try here. That's the idle, it's around 4,000 RPM. 9,000 RPM or so, but there it is, folks. That's running off the Black Bandit box. There's the circuit, what it's idling at. Half an amp. Just half an amp. So for the guys that are into the GoPeds, smaller motors, obviously, that use these type of chainsaw motors, you can set up this particular setup. This is the idea of what I wanted to show you. I'm not a fan of wrapping the wire around the spark plug cable. They got these some of the tachometers that can actually wrap the wire around here. I like true ignition, and that's where I get it, from this cable right here. But if you're interested in this type of a build, I will have a wiring diagram eventually for this setup, so that if you're looking to build this, you can do it, no problem. But yeah, folks, so here it is. That was on an Echo CS310. There's your wires there, right off the magneto. There's my ground right there. 2 wires up And then it's all magic after that, folks. So there it is, Black Bandit box, www.firstfloor.online. If you're looking for this particular setup, you can just reconnect it right here. And there it is. This is the RPM gauge that works well, but like I said, I will put everything in the links, so stay tuned for more videos. I'll keep you guys locked in, because over here at First Floor, we try to get to the truth. It's not about saying what we think it is. Let's just get real facts. This motor, from what I've seen, if I was to have held the throttle just a little bit more, I probably would have got 10,000 RPM, but it's loud, and obviously it's 10 to 9 in my neighborhood, so I can't really run this as long as I would want to just do a little testing. So anyway, stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.